Hey, this is Scott with the Scotch Malt Whisky Society, and you're looking at cask number 63.80, a 9-year-old Speyside that's in our spicy and dry profile. This is bottled at 66.4% ABV, and it's a double maturation. First cask being an ex-Oloroso Oak Butt, and the second cask a first fill ex-Oloroso Butt. Again, 9-year-old Speyside. Can't wait to get into this one. Color on this, nice and dark. Those Oloroso casks definitely playing a part. And on the nose, yeah, all Oloroso. Those dark fruits, spicy, all your cinnamons, cardamoms, dark fruits, plums, raisins, nice Oloroso sherry goodness. For the higher ABV, still pleasant on the nose, doesn't burn you. You can get your nose in there. Peppery, oak, and dark fruits. Let's see what we get on the palate. Syrupy brown sugars hit you right up front before you can even taste it. On that first sip, as it hits your tongue and gets to your taste buds, you get those dark fruits, the plums, the raisins, the dates, brown sugars. It's syrupy. Cinnamons, dark. If you like Oloroso finished, matured whiskey, this is it. I was going to say this is your jam, and it's kind of a plum jam, raisin jam, dates. For 9 years old, it's so enveloping, so coating, penetrating. It's in my gums, back of my tongue. Still there, great finish on this. Keeps going. Let's try it with some water. Buttery. I mean, it's not just like butter, but it's like the spices. It's like a spicy, rich butter. I actually had this bourbon butter that I used on food. It was a Chipotle bourbon butter. It's actually kind of reminiscent of that. I don't know about the Chipotle, but the bourbon butter, definitely. Water did not hurt this. I think it took off some of the rough edges, if there were any. That high ABV brought it down. You still have such a nice penetrating mouthfeel with this on the taste buds and a salt on the senses. I'm still tasting it. I swallowed it a little bit ago. It's still there. It's in my gums. I can run my tongue along my teeth. It's still pulling it out. Cask 63.80 stuck to the Velcros, available on the website for $110. Remember, Scotch Malt Whisky Society whiskey is not for swigging, glugging, or knocking back. Please drink responsibly. Cilantro.